Can you understand simple English now?
Yes, I understand simple English, but I still need practice every day.
Do you feel slow when you speak English?
Yes, I feel slow because I think too much before speaking.
Do you think in your language first?
Yes, I think in my language first, and then I translate.
Does translating make speaking difficult?
Yes, translating makes speaking slow and sometimes confusing.
Do you forget simple words sometimes?
Yes, I forget simple words even when I know them.
What do you do when you forget words?
I try to explain using other simple words that I remember.
Do you feel shy speaking in front of people?
Yes, I feel shy because I am afraid of making mistakes.
Do you stop speaking when you make mistakes?
Yes, sometimes I stop, but I try to continue speaking.
Do you practice speaking alone at home?
Yes, I speak alone at home to improve my confidence.
Do you like speaking in front of a mirror?
Yes, I use a mirror to practice speaking and watch my face.
Do you understand native speakers easily?
No, I do not understand them when they speak very fast. What helps you understand better?
Slow speech and clear words help me understand better.
Do you repeat sentences when learning?
Yes, I repeat many times to remember the sentences.
Do you write new words in a notebook?
Yes, I write new words so I do not forget them.
Do you review words every day?
I try to review them, but sometimes I forget.
Do you feel tired when learning English?
Yes, I feel tired sometimes, but I still continue learning.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it because it helps me improve my future.
Do you understand grammar rules well?
No, grammar is difficult, so I learn slowly.
Do you worry about pronunciation?
Yes, I worry because I want to speak clearly.
Do you listen to English every day?
Yes, I listen every day to improve my listening skills.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch simple English videos for practice.
Do subtitles help you?
Yes, subtitles help me understand the meaning better.
Do you speak English with your friends?
Not always, but I want to practice more with them.
Do you feel nervous when people listen to you?
Yes, I feel nervous because I think they will judge me.
Do you compare yourself with others?
Yes, sometimes I compare and it makes me feel bad.
What do you do when you feel discouraged?
I take a break and try again later.
Do you practice every day?
Yes, even a little practice every day helps me improve.
Do you like speaking more or listening more?
I like listening, but I know speaking is more important.
Do you try to speak even if it is difficult?
Yes, I try because practice helps me improve.
Do you feel more confident now than before?
Yes, I feel a little more confident than before.
Do you want to speak English fluently?
Yes, I want to speak English clearly and confidently.
What is your biggest problem in English?
My biggest problem is speaking without stopping.
Do you stop when you do not know a word?
Yes, I stop sometimes, but I try to continue.
Do you like learning in a group?
Yes, learning in a group helps me feel more comfortable.
Do you ask questions when you do not understand?
Yes, I ask questions because it helps me learn better.
Do you practice speaking loudly?
Yes, speaking loudly helps me improve pronunciation.
Do you feel happy when you understand something?
Yes, I feel very happy when I understand English.
Do you celebrate small progress?
Yes, I feel proud of small improvements.
Do you believe you will improve?
Yes, I believe I will improve if I keep practicing.
Do you use English in real life?
I try to use English in simple daily situations.
Do you enjoy simple conversations?
Yes, simple conversations help me feel confident.
Do you feel better when someone supports you?
Yes, support helps me feel more confident.
Do you like learning step by step?
Yes, step-by-step learning is easier for me.
Do you think practice is important?
Yes, practice is the most important part of learning.
Do you want to improve faster?
Yes, but I know improvement takes time.
Do you feel proud when you speak English?
Yes, I feel proud even if I speak simple sentences.
Do you like repeating lessons?
Yes, repeating helps me remember better.
Do you think English will help your future?
Yes, English will help me find better opportunities.
Do you enjoy this practice conversation?
Yes, this conversation helps me feel more comfortable speaking.